Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to learn chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Animals World. What we learn in this chapter? Here in some headings that we learn in this chapter. Types of beaks, claws and the feathers of the birds. Food habits in birds. Nesting habits in birds. Care of the young birds. There are various colors and size birds. Look at the picture of few words given below and write their name in the given box also. Circle the beaks and feet. First, sparrow, parrot, crow, eagle, pigeon, cock. And this is your homework. Herein fill all words name. Body of a bird. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat. The body of a bird is like a boat shaped. It has two eyes and a pointed head with a beak. This is called a streamlined body. This helps it to fly. It has a tail and a pair of wings and legs. Everybody, every body's parts have a special function of the bird. Beaks. We learn about the beaks of the birds. Birds are toothless. Bird has no teeth but have beaks. The beak is used for picking up food and cleaning the feathers, picking up materials of the building's nest and protecting themselves from enemies. Types of beak. There are various colors and size bird. They have also different types of the beaks. Different birds have different types of beak. The types of the beak depend on the feeding of habits of the bird, and the shape of the beaks is depend on the feeding of the birds feeding habit of the birds. Short and hard beak. First, short and hard beak. The birds have short and hard beaks. Words like sparrow, pigeon, peacock, etc. eat seed and grain. They have short, hard and hardy beaks for the cracking seeds and grains. Here in some birds, they have short and hard beaks. For example, sparrow, pigeon, peacock, etc. And strong, sharp, hooked beak. Birds like owl, eagle, kites, hawks, and vultures have strong, sharp, and the hooked beaks. It helps them to tear the flesh of the animal. Here in the picture of some birds, strong, sharp, and the hooked beak. Here in the kite, vulture, eagle, owl, hawk has strong and sharp beak. Curved beak. Birds like parrots, hornbills, and the cornbills have a strong and curved beak. It helps it to crack hot fruits and nuts. Here in a picture, here in some pictures of the crabbed beak-shaped birds: parrot, hornbill, um, crossbill, etc. Long and slender beaks. Some birds have long beaks. It's called long and slender beaks. Hoop birds have a long and slender beaks. It can pull out the insect from holes in the ground. Birds like kingfisher and the cranes catches fish and eat them. They have long beaks to catch fish. Hoop, kingfisher and crane. Long and slender beaks. Have long and slender beaks. Strong chisel-shaped beak. A woodkeeper has a strong chisel-shaped beaks. It helps it to drill holes in trees to take out insects. Here are a picture of some birds that have strong chisel beaks. Woodpecker, swan, etc. have a strong and chisel-shaped beak. Broad and flat beak. Duck and the swan have broad and flat beak with the strainers. There are small holes on the side of its beak. It takes in muddy water with insect, worm and plants. The mud and water flow out through the small holes and leaves insect, plant and worms inside its beak. Here broad and flat beaks, soft and broad beaks. The birds like the swallows are small. They have soft and broad beaks. Their mouth and tongues are very sticky. Swallows moves round. Swallows moves round and round in the air, keeping their beaks open. A small insect while flying get stuck in their mouth and feet and claws.